So how do you not get tempted by, when you're going through that phase of your life, how does then the appeal of just losing your mind in something not come?
I went through a very, very bad phase of the drug phase of 10 years. Was
10 years?
Yeah, 9 to 10 years.
But I'll tell you one thing, he's one of the best counselors today on drugs, Parents come to him with their children.
Why would you say that you went through that phase? You had everything in life on the outside.
You see, what happens is that when I went to the drug cure center, they cleanse you out there. They talk to you. They make you talk in group therapy and stuff like that. And that's when they go into the core of the problem as to why. Basically, I'm a very shy kind of a person. You see, and that's what they told me, is that I'm very shy, I'm aloof. I used to be in college and I used to be, but I used to be a very shy kind of guy. Now having this externally something, like you said, you lose your mind and you're right there and you're talking and you're the center of attraction, and so I think that's how I got hooked onto it.
Except you were only the most best looking person ever. I mean, Rocky, I've seen only 50,000 times. Rocky, mera naam, and you were like drop dead gorgeous. I can't imagine him having to take an external thing. Now, David Ji, you have worked with him right from your first film, right? Now, how has all this, and even otherwise, how has he evolved as a person, as a human being, and as an actor?
See, as an actor, I can't even tell you. It's gone beyond one's reach. He understands, he contributes, and he is at his best if he wants to be.
If he wants to be, is very crucial.
Because see, an actor is like a child. How you handle an actor, basically, with the scene, and he goes above the scene very easily. I mean, this is one actor today, and what he was earlier is a big difference.
But
as a person, he's the same.
He's the same?
Not much of a difference. It's only age has come up and he's got experience. Otherwise, it's the same heart which plays now even.
Now, Rascals, coming to your latest film, seems like boys, okay, I'm going to say this, I'm sorry I'm going to say this, but middle-aged boys, okay, it seems like middle-aged boys just having
one thing I want to get on to that.
Okay.
The middle-aged boys are the most successful boys in the industry, not from now. From Dharamji to Amitji, Sholay, they were middle-aged guys, the biggest hit of the country.
Okay, so I'm not denying that at all. Today the biggest stars are plus 40s.
But they get success in the 40s only.
Yeah, but they were also successful before. It's not
but the success level has changed.